Hi guys, George and Jake from EDC Leather. Well, you guys know we have StitchTraces, but I'll get a message every once in a while saying, hey, I am doing a Avenger pattern. How do I use your StitchTrace for an Avenger? Well, there's a couple things that happen. Number one, when we're building an Avenger, as opposed to a pancake, the leather is wrapping all the way around the firearm. We need just a little bit more room, but guess what? A manila folder, knife, ruler, a little bit of spray glue, we can make this happen. So, I don't know if I can hold this at an angle or something so we can get a shadow, but the inside fold of a manila envelope has a little bit of dimension, and we're going to use that to help us in setting up our StitchTrace to make an Avenger holster or a taco style holster. First thing we got to do is we got to get rid of everything on the StitchTrace to the right of the line. So we're going to take our ruler, we're going to get her centered on the stitch line, just like that. We're going to grab the knife that I hid, there you go. Cool, huh? This is easy peasy. I tried to shoot this by myself by taping the phone to a broomstick, and it didn't work out for me very well. I'm going to take some spray glue, and I'm going to glue my pattern. Now I'm going to lay that puppy up here against that fold seam, just like that. All right, we're done. Literally, it's that simple. We have that little bit of dimension here where the paper folds, okay? So that will give you all the room you need now when you draw your pattern and you cut it out and fold it over and trace it, will give you all the room you need to make an Avenger pattern using a pattern stitch trace, or a pancake stitch trace. Ain't that freaking cool? As always, like Jake said, you have to like, subscribe, I want my freaking unicorn, and the little bell thing, the notifications, and that way when we post these things up, because we don't do them very often, you'll know it's there and you get to come and join me and laugh at the fat guy. All right, this is George and Jake from EDC Leather. We're out.